We gonna make it look shanction. Okay. Listen, after a couple of years of teaching, the posed, you know, professional look just sticks. Even before then, I just go for a more modest ting. All right. So I'm actually just yapping. I'm actually trying out some new ways to do my head wrappings because my little turbans and sometimes these things be so tight on the dome and I be needing the dome to breathe. And that's not normal. You don't want your brain to be feeling like it's suffocating. Now I can go into the spiritual things of what's actually going on with that, but we're gonna keep this head wrappable. Ooh, I actually kinda like that. So this might actually have to be a new ting with the ting to do my hair wraps on how to do them. This may gotta be a new ting. Check the rain, check the rain, check the rain, check the rain. I'll be checking the rain. Stranger things aren't so strange, and the common is not so common. Keep them necks and heads turboocious and all of that covered. Look, I was getting ready to come up here and say how challenging it's been for me to cover the dome. And boom, I just made it look easy off first try. Ooh, Gonna make it look. Gonna make it look. Possibly too. Right after I made my announcement, I got my energy back. Boy. Boy. I had to lay it back on down. Been reserving a lot of energy. This is actually not the time to be doing too much. I'm gonna do my best. I wanna check in on y'all. I had to check in on me first. Self, you good? No. Hey, we good. Oh my. So the first thing I had up here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How long is it gonna take me till I get the band? Maybe something saying no headline today. What in the world? Got me feeling like it's inside a cocoon. What? Oh. gosh. He knows. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Mm-mm.